See 7 people they have died on spot. There are 58 they are injured in Nimule Hospital. Then when we reach there, then we collect those dead bodies. We came and put it on mortuary. One conductor and the 2 drivers, 1 turnman. Now here we brought here one conductor and 1 turnman. They are just injured, but the other ones, the rest ones are still there in the border. The problem is the driver, because the driver which is going in Juba, that one is still a new driver. He didn't know the way how those people are driving, because those people they're using right hand. Now in Uganda we are using left hand. So that driver just he came on this side, then this one here he took just the wrong side. Immediately the face just attacked him, face by face.